either calculate it here also and here also. From right hand side also we can calculate, and left hand side also. So but this time I'm calculating as a left hand direction to the x-axis section. Okay. So see everyone, due to acting of the external load, that is a W, and how much the reactions carrying the load, and reaction A and reaction B is carrying the how much load?
W by 2.
W by 2, very good. W by 2, and here also W by 2. Okay, so calculating moment about x at x, we are going to calculating at moment about x, and these forces, right side upward force is always negative, and this is the this is the what? This is a positive force from the x direction. Okay, and W by 2 into, and the perpendicular distance is how much? Up to x section. Tell me how much the distance, perpendicular distance.
L by 2 minus x, sir.
W by 2 into, so why you are considering as L by 2 minus x? So see, so I'm taking point A location to x distance only, and the distance is x. The distance is from A point to, and this x section already I'm indicating as a distance, that is the x. Okay, so now tell me, so force into perpendicular distance is a moment, and force is W by 2, and that is a positive W by 2. Okay, positive W by 2 into perpendicular distance is how much? At x section, what is the
X, sir.
x? Okay, W by 2 into x. Very good, Samita. So this moment about x-axis is a what? Already we know that the equation, that is the EI. EI, what is the meaning of the EI? What is the EI? Flexural rigidity. EI means what? Flexural rigidity. EI into d square y by dx square is equal to W by 2 into, that is the moment about the at the section XX. At the section XX, and moment will be EI into d square y by dx square is equal to W by 2 into x. Okay, any doubts up to here? Integrating above equation with respect to the x, then we get the value of EI into, so x ki integration చేస్తే ఎంతమ్మా? So dy by dx is equal to positive, that is the W by 2 into, so x means 1 plus 1 x square by 2, అంతేనా? x square by 2, so means plus constant value is c1, ei into dy by dx is equal to wx square by 2 to the 4 plus c1. Okay, so what is the c1? What is the c1? Constant of integration. c1 is a constant of the integration. Any doubts up to here? So see everyone, so I'm taken as the simply supported beam, and over point load is acting on it. Okay, so that due to that point load, and the beam tends to be deflecting and creates the slope also. And now I'm taking as a section at exact section at this point, at this location I'm considering as the exact section, and at point A2 that exact section distance is x. Okay, so I'm calculated bending moment at exact section, and next one is I'm integrating that bending moment equation. So value will be ei into dy by dx is equal to wx square by 4 plus c1. C1 is a integration constant. Okay, integration constant. Next, at point A, I'm applying as a boundary condition at point A. So what is the x distance?
0, sir.
X is equal to 0. Okay, and dy by dx is equal to, and at A dy by dx is the maximum. See everyone, సో మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకుముందు క్లాస్లోనే డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. క్యాంటిలివర్ బీమ్కి అయితేనేమో ఓకే, క్యాంటిలివర్ బీమ్ అయితే మనం ఏం చేసినాం చూడండి, ఇది డిఫరెంట్. ఇక్కడ క్యాంటిలివర్ బీమ్కి అట్ ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర స్లోప్ అట్ ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర, ఫస్ట్ ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర x is equal to 0, then dy by dx also 0. Slope is also 0 at point A. At point B, slope is maximum. But here, in simply supported beams, what is happening means here x distance is 0 and dy by dx is maximum. Dy by dx is maximum. Where dy by dx is 0? Slope is 0. Where? At center point, at C point, so dy by dx slope is 0. Okay. So maximum at these end conditions, slope is the maximum. Slope is the maximum means tangent to the slope. So when slope will be developed, so means due to the acting of the external load, and slope means tangent to the elastic curve. Tangent to these elastic curve. So tangent to the elastic curve means, so here tangent to these elastic curve means here maximum slope will be developed. So where slope will be 0 means at center point, these two tangents will be coincided at center, and at center dy by dx is 0. So now at condition I am considering as at condition, first condition I am considering slope is equal to 0. First condition. That condition, when slope is equal to 0, at x is equal to L by 2 distance and dy by dx is equal to 0. Everyone understand it or not, this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when slope is 0, first point we have to do that slope, where slope is 0. We want to conclude that where slope is 0 first step. So where slope is 0 means at center of this section, at center of this simply supported beam, the slope is 0, but at where slope is 0, at that location from point A to that location distance was L by 2. So means x is equal to L by 2. So apply this condition, x is equal to 0 in the above equation. Apply this condition. So x is equal to 0 and dy by dx is, sorry, x is equal to L by 2 and dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. So above equation is what? Ei into dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to wx square by 4 wx square by 4 plus c1. Okay. So dy by dx is 0. Ei means what is Ei? Flexural rigidity, and dy by dx is 0, and w into, so L by 2 whole square. Okay. L by 2 whole square by 4. Okay. Plus c1. Then so c1 is equal to what? Tell me value. c1 is equal to, so 2 square means 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 is 16. So means value will be c1 is equal to wl square by 16. wl square by 16. So minus wl square by 16. Is that a value?
Yes, sir.
So minus wl square by 16. That is the value of the c1.
నొక్కుతా అన్మ్యూట్
So
చేస్తా సార్
substitute
డౌట్ అని
c1 in
చెప్తా
the above equation. So this equation. So ei into
ఎందుకు
dy by dx is equal to
ఎందుకు చేస్తాడు
w into
డౌట్ అడిగితే
x
ఫోన్
square
చేస్తా
by 4 minus wl square by. Any doubts up to you?
పిచ్చిలో
No, sir.
డెరివేషన్లో కూడా ఎక్స్
And where slope is maximum? Where slope is maximum?
At n,
So
sir.
at point A and B, slope is maximum. Now I am considering at point A location. At point A location, slope is maximum. So at point A, x distance is 0. X distance is 0, and next one is slope is maximum. So dEi into dy by dx is equal to above equation లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను, w into 0 whole square by 4 minus wl square by 16. Okay? Any doubts? So this entire term will be 0. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to minus wl square by 16 EI. Okay. So theta maximum at A point and B point, theta A is maximum, theta slope is maximum at the A point and B point. So you can consider theta A equal to theta B equal to minus WL square by 16 EI. This is the maximum slope. So see everyone, simply supported beam over point load is acting, and what is the maximum slope? Guru Raj,
Sir.
what is the maximum slope? When simply supported beam and when point load is acting on at the center, and what is the maximum slope? Are you listening the class or not?
Minus WL square by 16.
Minus WL square by 16. 16 what then? Minus WL square by
Minus
16.
WL square by 16, sir.
16 EI. EI means flexural rigidity. Flexural rigidity consider చేయట్లేదు. Okay. So theta is equal to minus WL square by 16 EI. Okay. So slope completed. And then next, what is next calculation? Next calculation in number.
Deflection, sir.
Deflection. Okay. Deflection ని నెక్స్ట్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ above slope equation with respect to x. Okay, we get the value of so ei into dy by dx means y is equal to w x square by 4 here. So w x cube by 12 minus w c1 value is equal to minus wl square by 16. So wl square by 16 అంటే w l square by 16 into x plus plus c2. Okay, ei into y is equal to wx cube by 12 minus wl square by 16 into x plus c2. Okay, so see, we are calculating deflection when at exactly at point A, deflection is 0. Okay, and x distance also 0. So when deflection is equal to 0, at that time x is equal to 0, and substitute these two values in the above equation. So ei into y is equal to what? Y is equal to 0, and wx cube, x cube means nothing but is 0 whole cube by 12, and x minus wl square by 16 into 0 plus c2. What is the c2 value? C2 value is equal to what?
0.
0, sir.
0 నా ఎందుకు 0 ఎందుకైతే 0 కాదు కదా.
సార్ ఇంటూ 0 ఉన్నాయి సార్ అన్ని
ఇంటూ
మొత్తం 0 అయిపోతుంది సార్.
అవ్వట్లేదు అనుకుంటా. C2 value is equal to
0.
0. So C2 is equal to 0. So when at exactly at point A, x distance is 0, and here only deflection will be started. So means at end points deflection is 0 and maximum at the center. Okay. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, deflection is equal to 0 and C2 term will be 0. Very good. And next one is, then ఇక్కడ 0 అయిందంటే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ మాక్సిమం ఎక్కడ రావాలి?
సెంటర్ సార్.
సెంటర్ లో రావాలి. సెంటర్ లో అంటే x distance is equal to what?
L/2.
X distance is equal to slope at deflection at point C. So x is equal to what? X is equal to L/2. So x is equal to L/2. On these values substitute in the above equation. So EI into YC. So y I am indicating as a maximum slope deflection will be developing at point C only. So I am indicating here suffix C. EI into YC. W into x cube. X cube means what? L/2 whole cube by 12 minus W L square by 16, and next x is equal to what? X is equal to L/2 plus C2. C2 value is equal to what? What is the C2 value? 0. C2 value is 0. Okay. So then EI into YC equal to W L/2 whole cube divided by 12 minus WL square by 16 and L/2. So the value will be what? So EI YC is equal to what? EI into YC is equal to, so L/2 to 16, 12. So ఇక్కడ W, so L cube by 96 and minus, so 32. So WL square by WL by 32, WL cube by 32. So is equal to what? EI into YC is equal to what is the value? EI into YC is equal to W minus WL cube by 48. Okay. The cube. So EI into YC is equal to what? EI into YC is equal to minus WL cube by 48. Okay. YC is equal to what?
Go.
Minus WL cube by 48 EI. Okay. So hence, so downward deflection at C point. So we are considering as a WL cube by 48 EI only. YC is equal to downward deflection. Okay, understand it, everyone? Everyone understand it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone?
లాస్ట్ టైం ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్. YC equal to WL cube by
WL cube by 48 here. YC equal to WL cube by 48 here. ఏం లేదమ్మా ఇక్కడ చూడు. ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేసిన EI into YC is equal to L/2 W into X place లో నేను చేసిన L/2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన. ఓకే, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ X ఉంది కదా, ఈక్వేషన్ లో X ప్లస్ లో నేను L/2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ W into L/2 వీటిలో పెట్టుకో. W into L/2 whole cube divided by 12 minus WL square by 16. In place of X, I am substituted as X is equal to L/2. So plus C2 term will be 0. సో ఆ ప్లేస్లో నేను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన ఈ వాల్యూని క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసేసినాం. క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసి WL cube by 96 మైనస్ WL cube by 32 వచ్చేసి. సో ఇందులో కొంచెం మనము ఈ వాల్యూని చేసేసాం. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
సో వాల్యూ వచ్చేసేసి YC is equal to WL cube by 48. So slope, maximum slope is how much? Theta A is equal to, for maximum for max.
Sir, minus of 7.
మైనస్ వస్తుంది మరి మనకి.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
మనకి వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి మైనస్ W3/48 బట్ డౌన్వర్డ్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ కాబట్టి ఎవ్రీ టైం మనం డౌన్వర్డ్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ అనుకుని మనం ఎండ్ W3/48 పాజిటివ్లో తీసుకుంటాం కదా.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే, సో ఫర్ theta A is equal to, for maximum slow theta A is equal to what? Minus W L square by చెప్పండి అమ్మా 16 EI.
16 EI.
Okay, W L square by 16 EI for maximum slope, and maximum deflection is equal to what? W
WL
40.
40 EI.
ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
నేను ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చేసి గ్రూప్లో పెడతా, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాను. నేను ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాం అన్నమాట. బాబు దీనిపైన యూడిఎల్ మీరు చేసుకుంటారా? స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి ఎవ్రీవన్. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. Now we are going to solving one problem. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, ma. So now everyone solve that question.
Sir, once again, sir, question.
One thing.